Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how you can cancel your Cleanmymac X subscription. So friends, if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me on this video guide. Go to store. This is the first option. When you go to store, you will see if you have any subscription here, click view more option, and then you will redirect it to this page. From this page, click your product active, this icon, and then click cancel subscription. So just click your product active and then click cancel subscription. You would see your product active from this page from the store, and then click cancel subscription. If you have your Mac, just go to Mac, this link, and then click manage subscription, as you can see here, and then from here send link to access your subscription or to cancel your manage your subscription. Just click manage your subscription here and then click cancel. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.